Greatest life lesson Xiao can learn from Chinese philosopher Confucius. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials. Confucius. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute. The man who does not ask is a fool for life. As the water shapes itself to the vessel that contains it, so a wise man adapts himself to circumstances. The green reed which bends in the wind is stronger than the mighty oak which breaks in a storm. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. What the superior man seeks is in himself. What the small man seeks is in others. Attack the evil that is within yourself, rather than attacking the evil that is in others. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. A man without persistence will never make a good shaman or a good physician. Do everything in moderation, even moderation. The man who chases the rabbits catches neither. If you expect great things of yourself and demand little of others, you'll keep resentment far away. Those who cannot forgive others break the bridge over which they themselves must pass. The demands that good people make are upon themselves. Those that bad people make are upon others. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. When you know a thing, to hold that you know it, and when you do not know a thing, to allow that you do not know it. This is knowledge. When a wise man points at the moon, the imbecile examines the finger. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. To be wronged is nothing unless you continue to remember it.